Enjoy focusing your eyes on the skies around Nebraska's Star City. You're not alone.
Many stargazers are over the moon excited about this unique new star park that's located just a hop, skip, and a jump from Lincoln.
Our Lance Schwartz is shooting for the stars in this edition of Lance's Journal. Lance?
Guys, if you dig astronomy, you are going to dig this. Branched Oak Observatory is in its infancy, but the two founders are downright giddy about the potential of this unique facility. They are currently hosting general public and UNL student star parties, but hope to soon have multiple observatory buildings that house research-quality telescopes. The sun peeks over the horizon with beautiful Branched Oak Lake glistening at dusk. Not far away, Branched Oak Observatory is bringing the night sky down to earth. And these two gentlemen are leading the way. They are both astronomy junkies.
You know, the other night we were looking at Orion coming up later in the evening.
Michael Sibernson and Matt Anderson got to know each other while working at the Strategic Air and Space Museum near Ashland.
We had a good friendship, and we both have moved on from the museum, but we decided this is something that we've always wanted to do.
Here at Branched Oak Observatory, it sits on approximately an acre and a half, and we have this nice kind of bowl-shaped effect here.
Matt just moved to this farm last year.
In the evenings, when the moon's not out, it's literally as dark as the inside of your pocket.
A lot of work has been done over the past year to get the observatory to this point. But there will soon be new buildings and parking lots that will enhance the experience for visitors.
They'll get a chance to see some beautiful views of the moon, and if you've never seen the moon through a telescope, you've never seen the moon. It really is incredible.
Michael and Matt say being about 20 miles northwest of the bright lights of Lincoln make for a perfect spot for the Branched Oak Observatory.
Perfect location, and the distance is just that right distance. It's just far enough away from Lincoln to get away from the majority of the light pollution from the city, but it's a short enough distance that people will actually travel out here. If we were any further, we might not see the crowds that we do.
Star Party crowds over the first 6 months have ranged from 30 to 200 people.
I think this has really rekindled a lot of feelings that people had when they were growing up.
Rest assured, passion for astronomy is not lacking at Branched Oak Observatory.
Like a lot of amateur astronomers who do this not for money, not because it's a profession. They do it out of the sheer love of astronomy, but also the love of sharing the night sky with other people. I really eat, breathe, and drink astronomy. I mean, I do it for a living, and then I also do it as my hobby. So it's fantastic to see something like this come to fruition.
Once or twice a month, the Branched Oak Observatory is open to the general public, and the next chance you have to check out the night sky at Branched Oak is coming up on Saturday, November 14th. The 3-hour event is entitled A Mid-Autumn Star Party, and as usual for public events, admission to this event will be $0 and 0 cents. And it's pretty interesting. These two guys, can you tell? They love this amazing,
passionate.
They're into the stars. And it's pretty cool because both of them got telescopes when they were kids. And both of them first saw the planet Saturn, and they both fell in love with Saturn. So they had that from the beginning as kids, and now as adults, they're bringing it all out. It's awesome.
And you joined that illustrious group of people who have become stargazers out at Branched Oak. I saw you doing a little bit yourself there. The good news is that you don't have to just go in the summer or, year-round to all those parties, correct?
I would have thought this is maybe a 6-month deal, but it isn't. It's year-round, every month. It's in the dead of winter. It's in the hot summer months. They are out checking out the stars, and it's pretty cool.
Very cool. Do you know if you can see different things depending on what season you go? I mean, I don't know much about astronomy. It seems like I need to go there.
Yeah, that's what's coming up here on November 14th. It's mid-autumn, and I don't know a lot about it either, but they could tell you a lot more. The skies are definitely changing, so I think throughout the year there are a lot of different views of the sky.
Very cool and very interesting. Thanks, Lance.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
We'll update your forecast next.